In today's video, I'll show you how to easily create or update your email signature in Zoho Mail so your emails always look professional. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick guides. Once you're logged into Zoho Mail, head to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. In the menu, look for signatures and click it. This is where you can manage everything related to your email signatures. Here you'll see two options: create a new signature or edit an existing one. To create a new one, click the plus icon. To edit, just select the signature and hit the pencil icon. Now the editor opens up. You can type your name, job title and contact info, format the text, or even add images like your company logo. Want to link your website or social media? Just use the hyperlink option. If you use multiple email addresses in Zoho Mail, make sure to assign the right signature to the right email account so your branding stays consistent. Once done, don't forget to hit save. And that's it. Your new signature is now active and ready to go. And there you have it. You've just learned how to change your signature in Zoho Mail. If this helped, drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.